We were sitting at Cracker Barrel and Chase called and asked if we could get him some toilet paper. Well, we're here getting him toilet paper. It's been 4 hours since he's been able to wipe his ass. Where's the pliers at?
I wouldn't want to do all this chaos with anyone else, and I wouldn't want to punch anyone else in the face but him. I said, don't even ask. I don't care how much it is.
Everybody, we are headed to Springfield today. Tonight is a practice night. We're packing stuff to the camper, everything final that we had to use last night that we couldn't pack. Like a jacktard with 2 glasses on. But anyways, welcome back. Hope you guys are liking the videos. If you haven't gone and watched our throwback video, go back and watch that. That ordeal was Mom had green in her egg sandwich this morning that my dad went and got her. So they're looking at me and smiling as I talk to you guys. But anyways, she definitely threw the egg sandwich out, so don't worry. But she had already ate half of it. So we'll keep you updated if she gets sick or not.
Where are we going? Springfield Raceway in Springfield, Missouri. About 3.5 hours from Farmington. We have family that live really close to there, so we always love it when we come down this way. Where are we going, Kinley?
Springfield, Missouri.
Yeah? You like going down there?
I get to see my cousins.
Yeah? You watch some good racing? Yeah. What's the plan?
Load it up one piece.
And
Top 10 in the feature.
and then have fun?
Yep.
Have fun. Chase will also be racing down here, which is always exciting when we can go and watch him race or race him and Gary race together. It's a really big race. I think we always go to the Turkey Bowl when they have it and we're able to go. I think this year is the highest payout he's done for the Turkey Bowl. It's like $7,575 to win. So there'll be a lot of real good, big name guys here.
I expect about 70 to 80 modifieds here.
Yeah, it'll be a good time. The weather looks perfect. No rain now. There was some rain in the forecast, but it's now saying like in the 60s during the day and 30s, 40s at night. So great racing. I know 2 years ago we froze to death. It was freezing. I mean, everybody was basically in snowsuits and fire pits and the whole nine. So it's going to be a great weekend of racing, and we're looking forward to spending time with everybody and just having a good time. And like Gary said, have fun, load it up in one piece. Right?
Yes.
Yep. All right, we'll keep you updated along the weekend and let you know what's going on.
Quick stop, go to the bathroom and fill up with fuel.
Where's the pliers at?
I wouldn't want to do all this chaos with anyone else, and I wouldn't want to punch anyone else in the face but him.
Can you explain what happened?
Oh gosh, every time we go somewhere it's something. The camping spot we were given was not very good, and our
Listen,
RV
let me
was
just tell you,
unlevel, and
it
the
is-
jacks got stuck, and we couldn't figure out what to do, and it's just
The fuse ended up being the
a
problem.
lot of work.
But we're at
I told Austin, I said, every time we get somewhere to do this, I'm like, why do we do this? And then we get home and I'm like, let's go do it again.
So, did you tell them that the skylight broke out on the camper?
No, it's
Or on the trailer?
something. On the race car trailer. We went in the bathroom and the skylight, I guess, came open while we were driving.
one of those
and
screwable
slammed
ones.
and broke. So, got to get a new one of those.
So here we are.
And we got to get TP for Chase.
We were sitting at Cracker Barrel and Chase called and asked if we could get him some toilet paper. Well, we're here getting him toilet paper. It's been 4 hours since he's been able to wipe his ass. So we got him some shit paper.
Brought to you by Camping World. Oh, crap.
I'm not sure whether he likes it rough or easy. So we're gonna go with the easy and get him 2 ply.
Did you just steal that chair from her? Oh, nice. Mom, I think I could live in this. Oh, no, I couldn't. That's for sure. Found our new home.
I said, don't even ask. I don't care how much it is. It's in.
I didn't know if you liked it rough or not, so I got you 2 ply. Thank you.
What we got going on here, Haley?
A YouTube superstar is fixing our trailer. What? Right? Damn. Can I get your number after this?
On my ladder.
He might be afraid of heights.
Alright.
Down the furthest and pure stop. How many miles are you away? Don't lie, Jesus is watching.
So we are at Springfield. Chase and Dad are gonna go out in the same group, but it looks like they're gonna have to pack the track in. So it's gonna be a muddy mess. Hopefully, it's not too bad and they can shake it off throughout the night. I think they're having actual races though, so it will slick off pretty fast. But they obviously didn't want it to be too dry at first, so that's why it's like this. But they're getting ready to go out for a hot lap session, just to test That's your grand dog.
Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. She likes to bite. She's a biter.
Yeah, but not aggressively.
She's a play biter, but them needle teeth hurt. Them needle teeth hurt.
Is that your grand dog?
Yes. It's Honeybee. This is Honeybee.
This is the first time they've seen her.
I'm her aunt. I'm her aunt, technically.
First time who's seen her.
You too.
Oh. Are you two?
Are you too?
Gonna say what?
She
This
Pretty
time.
happy with that.
That was good.
Yeah.
Looked very good.
Hey Austin, pop the hood. I'm gonna give it a little more fuel pressure. That was good.
That was really good.
Yeah. Yep. I'm happy with that.
You're not going out no more?
Oh yeah.
One more?
Car felt good.
Car felt good?
Felt
really
really
good?
good.
Did you get dirt in your eyes?
That's the best it's been.
Really good.
Yeah.
The car looks great.
Yeah. I passed Austin Rig like you're trying to do a drink.